the door. A little on the cool side. Green Cove Springs at 49 degrees. 51 now at Jacksonville's severe weather station.
Now, Safe Touch Security First Alert traffic.
Drivers heading into downtown near Arlington Expressway westbound. I'm taking with the traffic time stand. There's still congestion backed up to Regency. It is starting to clear out right now. It's a 12-minute drive to get from Regency over the Matthews Bridge into Main Street. You still have that crash on the Hart Bridge. I'm not sure if it's taking out any lanes in the area. Let us know what you're seeing by leaving Open Mic in the WOKV app. What I do know is that it's adding about 12 minutes to your drive into downtown. In Orange Park, drivers, if you're on Blanding Boulevard heading northbound, you have that crash at Youngerman Circle. It has an overturned semi-truck taking out the two right lanes, adding 10 minutes to your drive up to the Beltway. This report is brought to you by the Exergen Temporal Scanner. Fever is the leading sign of COVID-19. Use an accurate thermometer for twice daily checks. Protect your loved ones with the Exergen Temporal Scanner. It takes an accurate reading in seconds, and it's the only home thermometer recommended by hospitals, physicians, and clinics. Stay safe with Exergen. With Jacksonville's most frequent traffic, I'm Brian Riley.
Hey Alexa.
Still grinding it out working from home?
Play WOKV.
There's always at least one person who still listens to you.
Great choice.
Stream us live from your home office on your favorite smart speaker.
This is 104.5 WOKV, Jacksonville's News and Talk.
Hey everyone, it's Sky. And I've been getting tons of questions these days about Medicare plans. And if you know me, you know by now that I'm always recommending Devoted Health HMO plans. It's the only plan I stand behind because Devoted Health just works. Members sign up because it works. They love it because it works. I even put my own mother on it because I know this plan actually works.
Devoted Health offers a $0 monthly plan premium, $0 copays for primary care provider visits, and prescription drugs starting at just $0. Plus, members can save over $7,200 annually on extras like comprehensive dental, over-the-counter items, and more.
Look, you could be missing out on big benefits. It's worth calling to get the info to see if it's